My left leg had to be amputated. My right leg has extensive damage to it. I'm in constant pain every single day with my arm from trauma, nerve damage. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. My name is James Murtagh. I'm 30 years old, and in 2018 I hopped into a car and drunk drove, and this is the result. My arm came off in my accident, so they found me lying on the ground outside the car. My arm was still in the car. My message for people is, do not even consider drink driving, or don't let your friends convince you into doing it, anything like that, because this is the extent of what will happen to you. Mentally, I feel like I'm back to where I was before, but it was a long, hard road. Like, I only thought I had good people around me, and I have kids, and that they gave me a reason to start doing better, but it was tough. And it was very tough for the first year. I didn't know what I was doing, where my life was going to go, how am I going to provide for my family. Like, I can't work doing the work that I used to do. So yeah, I'd highly advise people not to be so stupid, or else this will happen to you.